Hi, this is a training video for how to use the Plan Project Forecast List upload tool. First thing you're going to want to do is sign in, navigate to your lead entity site, and go to the File section and download this spreadsheet, PPFL Import Tool template. The template looks like this, has some example fields, and everything you'll need to import the Plan Project Forecast List. Today, we're going to import everything that's in orange. So we're going to skip over columns N, T, and U, and just import what's in orange. And to fill it out, you simply follow along, use the pick list where required, and fill out the project information. This is only for new projects. If you need to update existing projects, log in to SRP and make your changes there. So we'll just go ahead and save this, pretending that I am happy with it. It's all complete. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and it needs to be saved as a tab delimited file. So save that, close it, and then we're going to do this demonstration and test. So I'm going to log into the test environment and go to a lead entity site. You're going to upload on the summary page import template, and then browse the location where we save that file. Gray out the first two rows because those are header rows. And then you'll need to configure the upload template. So just walk through it one at a time, adding in the corresponding fields, project type, project status, start date, end date, and then just clicking OK. And the total project cost, funding organization, funding program, requested amount. Here, answer, contact. Latitude, longitude, and this is latitude, longitude is not required, but it is definitely preferred. What is required is the legislative district and grant round tag. To the bottom for that, and then readiness to proceed. Okay, so if you want to, you can save your settings. And if you can do this next time, just save settings and it'll be here when you come back. Just give it a name and save it. And then when you come back, you do load settings. But I'm just going to go ahead and test that. So it says the test is successful and I can do the import. And just click it once. It might take a minute, so just be patient. Okay, success. And now I go to my workspace and I can see that I have those two projects imported. So let's check them out. I can see, yeah, that it brought over landowner willingness to proceed and brought over the grant round tag. Looks like it's thinking about the location. There it is. Okay, great. That's it. Thanks for watching.